Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today we'll be looking at the USD card and want to share with you our analysis and our trade thoughts for the USD card pair. The USD card being the United States dollars against the Canadian dollars. So we're on the weekly chart here. Just like a similar scenario that we have on the Euro odd, we have here a weekly candle, that's broken and closed below our moving average here. And what does that mean for us? It means it could start a downward movement, but we're not just going to enter a trade immediately, right? Because like you all know, this is a support level right here. Is a support level that has been broken here. So when the support level is broken, what we expect is a retest of that support level being a resistance level this time, and then when that retest happens, we then look forward to a sell, right? That's at that point the price is most likely to fall. So right here we have our confirmation here of the price breaking and closing below the moving average. So at this point, guys, I will be moving on to the daily time frame, right? Fine. And on the daily time frame here, what do we have? Please give me 1 minute. Okay, so at this point right here, this is exactly what we have, right? The price, a fine break and close here to below the moving average. So guys, this is what we'll be expecting, but at this point here we have a little, like, a kind of head and shoulder pattern too, right? Being the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So let's see, what we are expecting here at this point is for the price. Maybe this will be our final take profit here, right? This will be our final take profit if this happens. So what we want to see is the price to move downwards. What we want to see is the price to maybe a little more, to come down a little more, right, to this point, yeah. And we want to see a retest. We want to see a retest of this level here, right here. We want to see, this is where the retest will be, the moving average kind of here. We want to see a retest to this level, and want to see the price fall down into this zone, right? This is what we're expecting. We want to see the price fall back into this zone. This is the kind of move that we're expecting for the USD card. Now, the price may not come down to this point, right? It may not come down to this point. However, we're not too certain of that. But what we're simply going to look for is first a buy, right? A momentum, a bullish momentum to the upside, testing this level first, right? Before we then find a continuation to the downside, right? So for USD card now, yes, our sentiment remains bearish. However, we're not going to rush the trade to just on Monday enter this trade in the sell direction, right? Rather, we're going to wait for a retest of the support on resistance level, and when that happens, we're then going to be on this time frame, on the daily time frame. We're then going to be looking for bearish reasons to short the USD card. So thank you. That's our opinion for the USD card. In our next video, we're going to be doing same analysis for the AUDJPY, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. So thank you, guys. Let's look at the AUDJPY chart, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. And so right here, we're looking at the AUDJPY, the weekly chart. What we see here is okay. So what we see here is, from the left side, you see the price being above the moving average here, and right here we see a break and close below the moving average, a little range, a break and close below the moving average, and right here at this point here started a kind of bullish move to the upside. Yeah, so the move started here. There was a supply, a demand zone rather, at this point here, and started pushing the price upwards. So from here, the price enjoyed a very fine move to the upside, making a higher high, coming down here to the higher low, right? And it's pushing up to a higher high. Now right here, the price has broken above our technical indicator here. There's a break and close above our technical indicator to the upside, right? So let's make it short. It's obvious that at this point, from this level, the AUDJPY was in a downtrend, but this level where the market got began the move of an uptrend, we can see AUDJPY from the charts here making a higher high, right, a higher low, right, and a higher high. So this is what we're going to expect of the AUDJPY. So permit me at this point, guys, to switch to the daily time frame. Yeah, it's clearer here. The price from this point making a higher high, right, higher high, higher low, a higher high, right, at this point here. So this is what we're seeing here. Okay, this is fine. So this is what we're expecting from the AUDJPY pair. At this point, let me use this. Yeah, I just added these tools here. So this is what we're expecting from the AUDJPY. This is the level we're supposed to watch here. Because this level that is marked here now, this level here is our new support level, right? This level here is our new support level. So we expect from next week AUDJPY to make a move like this. We expect AUDJPY to make a move like this, guys. We expect AUDJPY to make a move like this, right? We expect AUDJPY to come down here, you know, retest this support level and make a move to the upside. Sorry, I'm not very good with drawings. I'm not very good with this, but yeah, this is fine. So this is the kind of move we're expecting for AUDJPY. AUDJPY, our sentiment here is bullish, right? Price has broken and closed above our moving average here, our technical moving average. So we expect maybe 1 week more to be on the bullish side. Then we expect to see a resistance level, right, being formed, and for price to come back to retest this support level and then bounce off the support level and move further to the upside, guys. So that's our analysis and that's our trade idea for the AUDJPY. So we're going to be watching AUDJPY closely, and we're going to be seeing that if AUDJPY confirms our conditions, we're going to be planning on entering the AUDJPY on the buy side, guys. Like we said, this is a very simple outlook for AUDJPY. We wait for a retest. If we wait for a retest up to the support level, and then we enter our buy trade, right? We enter our buy trade at that point here. So thank you, guys. So please, these videos now, we have an analysis that we're waiting for Euro AUD. We have for USDCAD, and right here is the one for AUDJPY. We expect our earlier analysis on USD, Euro USD to play out anytime from next week. So thank you guys for being connected to the channel. Thank you for your support. We love you.